Nikki and Watson, and we are here because it is Stitch Fix Day, and Watsy. And it has been a while, so I've missed you guys, so hopefully you've missed me maybe. Okay, here we go. We're gonna need another black bar to cover Watson. Watson, get your spot. And for those of you who have not already watched me, long ago I was a stylist at Stitch Fix, but I have been getting fixes now for well over a year, if not longer. And so I am continuing to do these videos because I love to watch other people do them. And so hopefully this is helpful for you guys. And plus Watson likes to do these videos, mostly because he gets to lay on the white rug. So I did, as always, peek when I got my email that my fix had shipped. So before I jump in and open this box, I just wanted to actually read my style card, because I realized, since I have been a stylist, that I wasn't really giving the appropriate. Okay, so this time I am going to quickly just look at what my stylist wrote. So happy fix day to you, Nikki. So Michelle, who styled me last time, is currently out, and so it looks like Abby is styling me this time. So I know it's here, but right after that I see we have a bag, which means there are shoes, and I'm excited. Wait. I'm excited because I love shoes. Watson, shoes. I'm feeling comfortable. You guys can't see them very well. I wish you would come over here closer. I looked online. These are by Mia. They're called the Rebecca Stretch Knit Sock Booty in black. And this is what they look like. Okay, so a little lint. So it just has like a square, kind of a solid heel. And then it is that soft sock knit material. And I have not tried these on before, or this style on before, so I'm excited to try these. Okay, on to the next. There's a big bundle in here. Oh. Okay, lots of good stuff. The first item in here is a top by Chaser. This is the Nerlin Snap Button Cotton Blend Knit Top. So I actually have this top. I'm pretty sure that one of my daughters got it in their fix, and I stole it. But I do like it, and so I'll try this on, and maybe I will keep it because I like the other one. Let's see. Okay, next. Okay, so this is a cardigan by Stitches and Stripes. It's the Perona 2-pocket duster cardigan. Okay, this is a long duster cardigan. So I will see. I haven't had a ton of success with longer cardigans, or just cardigans really in general. They always seem to be just a little too, they fit me strangely. But anyway, I like it, and I love the color of that one, by the way. Okay, this next one looks like it could be fun. We will see. So this color, it's gray actually. This is a jacket by Coffee Shop, and it is the, hold please, Marley Faux Fur Trim Faux Suede Jacket. It's the Marley Faux Fur Trim Faux Suede Jacket. So faux fur and faux suede trim. Okay, so what do you guys think of this? It's kind of, it's heavier. I'm trying to see if it's lined all the way. Yep, it's lined with fur the whole way through. It's really soft. So I will try this on. This says it's in gray. It's kind of a unique color. I don't know if it's kind of between a brown and gray. So anyway, I'm excited. If you watched me before, I love jackets. Jackets and shoes, my favorite. These are by Pistola, which I love Pistola. They're one of my favorite brands that I discovered through Stitch Fix. So once again, thank you, Stitch Fix. And these are the Audrey. You like these, Watsy? Come here, Watts. Come here. Do you like these? Okay, sorry. Let me see what these are called. The Audrey Moto Detail Skinny Pant. I've actually seen these, but I have not tried them on or received them yet. So I will take a look at these. Or wait, I will try these on. If they fit right, they are my style. So there you go. I think this is a fun fix, and I will try these things on, and I will be right back. Okay, and yes, I am well aware that he was turning forever over there. I just wanted you guys to see how long that can go. Okay. We wouldn't wear these three things together, but for the try-on, I thought it would be quick and easy. So first of all, this is that Chaser shirt. Blah, blah, blah. Chaser shirt. And so I won't get too close here, but you can see it has these buttons up the sleeves. So it has kind of a different fabric content there. And then it just has the buttons. It's very much like a Henley, and that's kind of how it fits. This is a size small. I might go up one size just because that's how this shirt works. It does have kind of the dip, whatever you want to call it, little cut up on the side. So that's how the shirt looks. These are the pants. They are really comfortable and stretchy. I just really like Pistola and how they fit. So yeah, that's how the pants work. And very, very comfortable, very stretchy. Because of that, I probably will wear a belt because they do tend to stretch just slightly, not too much. Okay, last but not least are the boots. And these are the boots. And they're pretty comfortable. They felt a little strange when I first put them on my foot, but they just feel like a boot now. I wonder how they'll feel outside though, because it does seem like it actually is a sock. So, gosh, I really do not like these things together. So this is these 3 items. I will go try on the other 2, and I don't know, maybe I'll try these on with something else. We'll see. I'm lazy today and not trying a lot of things on. But this is the cardigan by Stitches and Stripes. So it is really warm and soft and very cozy. It is long, as you can see, and hits me right about at my knee length. It does have this cut. So yeah, I just always feel very overwhelmed by cardigans like this. It just feels too bulky on me. However, if you like cardigans, it's super soft, like I said, has these pockets, and this actually does make it a little bit more flattering. So yeah, that's what this one looks like. I probably will not be keeping this just because I don't think it is my style necessarily. So last but not least is the jacket by Coffee Shop. And so it is fully fur lined and so soft and comfortable. So because of that, it's a little bit of a bulkier shape, but I don't think it's too bad. So this is what it looks like, and it does have this on the cuffs, the fur, and you can't roll it any further. I mean, that's how it is. It's not a rolled cuff, if that makes any sort of sense. But this is kind of what it looks like. Again, goes straight across and back. It does have these, what do they call them? I'll think of it. Anyway, shortened belts. I do not know what that's called. And then zippers and such. So this is a size small, and I think it probably is the right size for me. Like I said, it feels just a little bit bulky, but I do like it also just because I wanted to show you my new shirt I just bought from Shop Your Looks. So I just got this one. Isn't it cute? Okay, anyway, if you want to know, I can put information about this one as well. And so yeah, I've tried everything on, so I'm gonna come back, sit down, and kind of go through what I think I will keep, and hopefully I can get this posted so I can actually get some of your feedback, because I really appreciate that. Okay, so if I did not already mention, this is the postage paid return envelope for me to return or exchange anything should I choose to do so. And we're just going to jump right in and look at the prices on these things. So that was kind of fun, some different pieces. Some of them work well together, but lots of nice basics to match with what's already in my closet. So first of all, this is fix number 59 for me, so that's crazy. But let's just start in. So right off the bat, these Pistola pants, these are the Audrey Moto Detail Skinny Pant. These are $88. So I figured as much because that's typically the price for Pistola jeans. I do like these, and I don't currently have many options other than blue or black denim. So it's a possibility that I will keep these. However, I would like to keep the discount because of that price. So anyway, we'll keep going through. So the next one is this top by Chaser, which is the Narrowland Snap Button Detail something cotton blend. So what's nice is it is a cotton blend. This is $54. And so, I mean, I think that's a little tiny much for this, but I really do like the one I have that I believe was my daughter's. And so I would consider this, however, so anyway, $54. We'll think about that. The next thing on here is the Stitches and Stripes. This is the Perona 2-pocket duster cardigan in beige. As you saw, it's a really pretty color. It will match with a lot of things. It's soft. I like it quite a bit, but it's a little big. Actually, I did see this as a small, so I could technically size down to an extra small. So it's something I may consider. We'll see. We'll see. How much is this? Oh, sorry. That's $78. So I probably won't consider it. I'm unconsidering it, but it's really pretty. I like it. And if anyone likes cardigans, really pretty cardigan. I think it's probably worth that amount. Okay, next are these knit sock booties. And they're really comfortable. I mean, the shape of them is kind of unique. I don't know if you guys can really see that from there. But they're pretty comfortable, and I'm considering keeping them, depending on how much they cost. Okay, these are $69. So that's not too bad, especially if I could get the discount. And so then the last item on here, of course, I do really like this jacket quite a bit. I like the fit of it. I'm not 100% sure on the color, so I'd love your feedback on what you think of the color, but it is so soft, like completely fur-lined on the inside and really cozy. And again, by Copy Shop, the Marley faux fur trim faux, lots of faux, in gray, $98. So yeah, that one's a little expensive, but it's a coat, and I would expect to pay probably that amount, especially, yeah. So anyway, those are all the items. So let us see. The total comes to $387. With the buy all discount, that would be $96.75 for a grand total of $290.25 were I to buy everything in this fix. And again, that's probably not too bad, but I'm not going to be able to buy everything in this fix. So I am considering, obviously, the most expensive items, as that's what I will do, and the pants and the jacket are probably, but I would love your feedback on the other items and any thoughts on sizing down in that cardigan, or does that just really overwhelm my body? I keep trying to like cardigans, but they just don't like me. Okay, well, you guys, if you watched so far, Watson is sleeping. He hasn't done a whole lot. And I really, really appreciate you guys watching. If you've not already done so, please subscribe. And I would love to get suggestions. I do have actually quite a few items that I've bought through Shop Your Looks. And if you guys want to see any of those, I'd do a video for those quickly. Just to kind of show you the items. So let me know if you want to do that. Otherwise, I will see you guys soon. Hopefully it won't be quite as long between this. I think the last one I did was Thanksgiving. So, and happy 2020. I never said that already. Okay, see you soon. Bye.